Good day, everyone. My name is Siti Arbia Di Mayasa from BSBA HRM 3B. So our topic for today is all about the employment tests and work samples. So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng employment tests and work samples? When the organization has identified the candidate whose application resume indicate they meet basic requirements, the organization has continues the selection and process with this narrow pool and candidate. Often the next step is the gather objective of data through one or employment test. So, ang isa sa mga kailangan ng isang empleyado ay gumawa ng isang resume o mag-submit nito. Dahil isa ito sa mga kailangan na requirement sa trabaho. Meron tayong two categories of employment tests and work samples. They are the aptitude test and achievement test. The aptitude test is assess how a person can learn or acquire skill and abilities. In the realm of employment testing, the best to know the aptitude test in the general aptitude test, the battery of GATB used by U.S. Employment Service. The achievement test is to measure a person existing a knowledge and skill. For example, the governance agencies conduct a civil service examination to see the whether applicants are qualified to perform a certain job. So, ang isang governance agency ay kinakailangan nilang mag-conduct ng civil examination para sa mga taong kumukuha ng exam. So, before using any test, the organization should be investigate the test validity and reliability. Besides the asking the testing service to provide this information, it is wise to consult more imperial source information, just the one identified in the table. Physical ability test. Physical strength and endurance been list of rule in the modern workplace that in the past thanks to use the automation and modern technologies. Even so, the many jobs still require a certain physical abilities or psychomotor abilities. Those connecting brain and body, as in the case of eyes and hands coordinator, when these abilities are initial to job performance or avoidance of injuries, the organization may use a physical ability test. More of the following area of physical ability: the muscular tension power, the muscular endurance, cardiovascular endurance, flexibility, balance, and coordination. Although these tests can be accurately predict a success at a certain kind of job, they also tend to be inclusive of human and people with disabilities. As a result, use of physical ability tests can make the organization all vulnerable to chains of discrimination. The cognitive ability test. Although a few jobs require muscle power today, the brain power is essential for the most job organization or therefore benefits from people who have strong mental abilities. The cognitive ability test is sometimes called intelligence test, are designed to measure just a mental ability as a verbal skill in using a written and spoken language. The quantitative skill. The skill is the working with the number. The reasoning ability is the skill in thinking through the answer to a problem. And many jobs require of this cognitive skill. Cognitive ability test is the capacity for acquiring and applying knowledge and skill and understanding. It is a measure of mental capability identify, understand, remember, learn from the experience. Job performing tests and work samples. Many kinds of jobs require a candidate who excel performing specialized a task, just as the operation of certain machine and handling phone call from customer to designing advertising materials to evaluate the candidates for just job. The organization of many administered tests for the necessary skills. Job performance tests and work samples. Tutukoy sa kung gaano kahusay ang ginagampanan ng isang empleyado sa mga gawain at responsibilidad sa isang partikular na tungkulin sa trabaho. Kagaya na lamang ang pagsunod nila sa tamang oras na pagpasa sa pinapagawa sa kanila. At hindi rin mawawala kung gaano sila kahusay sa makipag-usap sa mga katrabaho o kaya sa customers. Personality inventories. Some of situation employers may also want to know about the candidate personalities. For example, one way the psychology think about the personality in the terms of the Big Five trend: extroversion, adjustment, agreeableness, neuroticism, and openness.